Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. We're thrilled to gather in this beautiful venue, the Ted Mann Theater at the Academy Museum of Motion Pictures for our screening of the film Food 2050.
Meditation and reflecting on a study we had done where we looked at all the hundreds of movies and books that had been written about the future. And unfortunately, about 98% of them were dystopian. And that's where the Food System Vision Prize was born.
When we talk about food systems needed to feed our global population by the year 2050, we often speak in the language of numbers and the complex logistics required to feed 10 billion people every single day. It's easy, perhaps too easy, to get lost in the scale and complexity of it all. But the truth is, a global food system is not just an engineering challenge, it's a reflection of our collective conscience.
Thank you for this award. I'm going to say when I narrated this, I didn't know what to expect. I did cry a little bit on the way home. It's a vision for a nourishing, regenerative, and equitable food system by 2050. You know, you can either leave something for people or you can leave something in people. And I think this documentary is going to leave something in you that you're not going to be able to deny.